Good morning. Welcome to MBDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. Please subscribe this channel and share this video in your friend circle. Now let me solve the questions that I gave you for practice. After that, the left question of exercise 8.1. Okay? Practice questions. Question number 1. Given tan A is equal to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratio of the angle A. Solution 1. Given tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Because sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 plus 4 by 3 to the whole square is equal to 1 plus 4 4 16 3 3 9 is equal to LCM 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 by 9. Therefore sec A is equal to root under 25 by 9 is equal to 5 by 3. Okay. Because cot A is equal to 1 by tan A is equal to 1 by 4 by 3 is equal to 3 by 4. Because cos A is equal to 1 by sec A is equal to 1 by 5 by 3 is equal to 3 by 5. Because sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5 to the whole square is equal to 1 minus 3 3 9 5 5 25 LCM 25 minus 9 is equal to 16 by 25. Therefore sin A is equal to root under 16 by 25 is equal to 4 by 5. Because cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A is equal to 1 by 4 by 5 is equal to 5 by 4. Hence sin A is equal to 4 by 5, cos A is equal to 3 by 5, sec A is equal to 5 by 3, cosec A is equal to 5 by 4, cot A is equal to 3 by 4. Answer. Question number 2. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that sin B is equal to sin Q, then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay. Now solve this. Solution 2. Let us consider two right triangles ABC and PQR, where sin B is equal to sin Q. This is a first triangle and this is the second triangle. A B C and P Q R, because in question angle B and angle Q are acute angles. Okay. We have sin B is equal to AC by AB, perpendicular by hypotenuse, and sin Q is equal to perpendicular PR by hypotenuse PQ. Because sin B is equal to sin Q, so from question, then AC by AB is equal to PR by PQ. Implies AC by PR go to the other side and AB go to the other side is equal to AB by PQ. Okay, is equal to K. Let equation 1. Now using Pythagoras theorems, BC is equal to root under AB square minus AC square, and QR is equal to root under PQ square minus PR square. So BC by QR is equal to root under AB square minus AC square by root under PQ square minus PR square is equal to, from this AC by PR is equal to K, then AC is equal to KPR and AB is equal to KPQ. So from this I am putting the value of AB and AC. Okay, AB is equal to KPQ. It means that K square PQ square minus AC is equal to KPR. It means that K square PR square by root under PQ square minus PR square. Now k square in the both, so common, then root under k square is equal to k. Outside of root, so inside the root, pq square minus pr square by root under pq square minus pr square. Now this is cancel. Root under pq square by pr square by root under pq square is equal to, then I get in k. Therefore bc by qr is equal to k from equation 2. Now both this is k equation 1, and in this also bc by qr is equal to k equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we have RHS is equal, so also LHS is equal. Yeah, or you can also say this is the also value of this is also equal, and this is the equal to k, and also this is equal to k, so all are equal. AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Okay. Then by using theorem 6.4, theorem 6.4 say that if the corresponding side of two triangles are proportional, then their corresponding angles are equal. If the corresponding side of two triangles, this is the side, okay, this is corresponding side AC by PR, AB by PQ, BC by QR in this two triangle. If the corresponding side of two triangles are proportional, then their corresponding angle are equal according to this theorem, and also hence the two triangle are also is similar. Okay, according to this theorem, triangle ACB similar triangle PRQ, and therefore angle B is equal to angle Q. Proved. The next question. Consider triangle ACB right angular at C, in which AB is equal to 29 units, BC is equal to 21 units, and angle ACB is equal to theta, say in figure 8.1. This is the figure. Determine the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta, and second number cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Now question number 3. Solution 3. Given AB is equal to 29 units, BC is equal to 21 units, angle C is equal to 90 degree, angle ACB is equal to theta according to this figure. A, B, C, this is theta, this is 21, this is 29. Okay, now first I find AC. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to root under AB square minus BC square is equal to AB 29 square minus 21 square is equal to, I can write this A square minus B square is equal to A minus A plus B into A minus B. So I getting 20 20 41 50 into 8 is equal to 8 25 into 2 into 2 into 4. Okay, is equal to square root of 25 is equal to 25. Here 2 times 2, so 1, and square root of 4 is equal to 2 is equal to 20 unit. Yes, units. So question number 1, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to, now the cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So base, it means that CB by AC plus perpendicular by hypotenuse sin square theta, तो AC by AB the whole square. CB, this is 20, 21 by 29 to the whole square plus 20 by 29 to the whole square is equal to, (21 into 21 441 by 29 into 29 841 plus 400 by 841 is equal to, now the LCM is equal to 841, 441 plus 400. Okay, is equal to 841 by 841 is equal to 1. Answer. That's question number 2, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Minus sin square theta is equal to, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse CB by AB to the whole square minus cos theta perpendicular by hypotenuse AC by AB to the whole square is equal to, CB is equal to 21 by 29 to the whole square minus 20 by 29 to the whole square is equal to 441 by 841 minus 400 by 841. LCM is equal to 841, 441 minus 400 is equal to 41 by 841. Answer. The rest question of this exercise. 8.1. Question number 8. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus cot square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Solution. Given 3 cot A is equal to 4 implies cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Because tan A is equal to 1 by cot A, so 1 by 4 by 3 is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Because sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 plus 3 by 4 to the power 2 is equal to 1 plus 9 by 16 is equal to LCM 16. 16 plus 19 is equal to 25 by 16. Therefore, sec A is equal to root under 25 by 16 is equal to 5 by 4. Because cos A is equal to 1 by sec A is equal to 1 by 5 by 4 is equal to 4 by 5. Because sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5 to the whole square is equal to 1 minus 16 by 25 is equal to 25. LCM 25 minus 16 is equal to 9 by 25. Therefore, sin A is equal to root under 9 by 25 is equal to 3 by 5. Now, LHS is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 minus the value of tan is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 to the whole square by 1 plus 3 by 4 to the whole square is equal to 1 minus 9 by 16 by 1 plus 9 by 16 is equal to LCM 16, the upper LCM 16 minus 9 in lower 16, 16 plus 9 is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 by 16. This is 16 by 9 is equal to 25 by 16. 16 16 cancel, then 7 by 25. HCF, LHS, RHS. RHS is equal to cos square A minus sin square A is equal to cos theta is equal to 4 by 5, then 4 by 5 to the whole square minus sin theta sin A 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 to the whole square. Cos A is equal to 4 by 5, sin A is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. LCM 25, 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 by 25. LHS is equal to 7 by 25, RHS is equal to 7 by 25. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. I can also write hence, not prove here, hence 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A is proved. Okay, the next question, question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Okay, solution. Given angle V is equal to 90 degree, tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Now, draw a picture of triangle. B is equal to B is equal to 90 degree, A, B, C. Okay, because tan A is equal to tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So according to angle A, perpendicular is equal to BC and base is equal to AB, is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, here tan A is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore BC is equal to 1x. Okay, and AB is equal to x root 3. Because I don't know, 1 by root 3 is a simplest form, so I don't know which number is on the place of numerator and which number is on the place of denominator. So I multiply by x in both numerator and denominator. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to root under AB square जोड़ BC square is equal to root under AB is equal to x root 3 the whole square 1x whole square is equal to x square into 3 plus x square is equal to 4x square is equal to 2x. AC is equal to 2x. Now the question number 1. Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C is equal to sin A. Now this is BC is equal to 1x, AB is equal to x root 3 and AC is equal to 2x. For A, sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. It means that BC by AC into cos C base, for C base is BC and hypotenuse is AC, plus cos A, for cos A base by hypotenuse AB by AC into for sin C perpendicular by hypotenuse AB by AC is equal to BC 1x by 2x into 1x by 2x plus x root 3 by 2x plus x root 3 by 2x. Now LCM is equal to 2x into 2x 4x square. So LCM 4x square. Okay, then x square plus 3x square. Sorry, now here the multiplying, then x into x square root 3 into root 3, 3x square is equal to 4x square by 4x square. Okay, is equal to 1, because x square cancel, 4 cancel in 1 times, so 1 answer. Question number 2. Cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C is equal to cos A base by hypotenuse, x it means AB by AC into cos C base BC by AC minus sin A perpendicular by base BC by AC perpendicular by hypotenuse, sin C perpendicular by hypotenuse AB by AC. AB is equal to x root 3 by 2x into BC 1x by 2x minus 1x by 2x into x root 3 by 2x is equal to x into x square by into root 3 y 2 to 4x square minus x into x square into root 3 by 2 to 4x square. This is the same things, so this I subtract, then I am getting 0. Okay, the answer is 0. Now I am giving question for practice. Okay, question number 1. In a triangle ABC right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. The next question, in triangle OPQ right angle at P, OP is equal to 7 cm and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 cm. Determine the value of sin Q and cos Q. That's all. Thank you. Good night.